the water. Now the next thing, 600 gram white sugar. So we're going to double it, so it's 1.2 kg. Eh? So let me just put the sugar quickly.
Share with me some photos.
Otherwise, I have nothing to share with you guys. Ne? Because we are making double for us. At home you can make single for you to test the first time. Try it the first time you make it single. Then if you see, oh, it works good, you can make it double, you can make it 4 times. Normally me, I make it 4 times. Then this drum is full. I know the tradition, if there's a funeral or if there's a wedding, normally the people, they buy bucket loads full of cool drinks. Let me tell you about cream of tarte. You see this tree outside? The fruits.
Yes.
It is made of that fruits. Tarte. It is a healthy thing. It is also a preservative. So it is very, very healthy. This cream, the baobab.
Oh.
You can even taste. Stop. I do not add chemicals. I do not even add pectin from the shop. I make my own with lemon seeds, the recipe you've got. It is very easy. So then you know whatever is in your bottle is 100% pure. You can buy it from any shop like You Save or OK or wherever. And you can taste, don't take a lot. Just this. It is also cheaper if you buy the box instead of the bottle.
Oh.
What I do, the first one I buy the bottle. Then from there, if my bottle is finished, I buy a box, I put it in my bottle. Because I like to see bottles. See, it's not necessary, it's, yeah. Okay, so let us. Ginger also is very healthy. You know that. Very, very healthy. Got a lot of things that is good inside. So it's 1, 2. So you can make about 3 from one box or 4 times. Okay, what is the next thing? Okay, it's 2 yeast, ne? Yeah. Now the thing with this ginger beer, you have to consume it within 2 or 3 days. Because from day 4, it will become alcohol. Alright. Because of this. So don't make alcohol. Don't feed it to your kids.
I must not make alcohol.
Yeah, don't make alcohol.
But Namibian like alcohol.
Yeah, it is a bad thing.
So you give me a good way to do alcohol.
You know, let me tell you, this is more healthy than the normal kachipembe if you want to make alcohol, no?
Yeah.
But not because I say so.
Yeah.
Okay, the yeast is in. What is next? The raisins, ne? They say 100 gram, so I should actually double to 200 gram.
Yeah.
But me, I'm just going to use 1 packet. The reason why we don't drink the raisins, we throw them a lot away. The reason why there's raisins inside, you will see this starting to process now. All the raisins will be on the bottom. And you will see them starting to move. And when all the raisins are on top, your ginger beer is ready. Okay, this is the reason. You can eat the raisins, there's nothing wrong. Some people like to eat them while it is soaked like this. You don't have to. You can throw them away if you want. Oh, let me cut. Okay, now I want the one volunteer to stir for me. Because we now have to stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Then we leave the bucket, it can go on by itself, you see?
Oh, you want to do? Okay.
Alright. Okay.
How many spoons you put?
I put in 2.
2 spoons.
You're supposed, according to the recipe, to put
Which
1.
spoon is it?
Like this. It is the same price as a bread. So So go one day and buy for you. Alright. Then you've got everything. A 1 cup, a half cup, well, quarter cup, a third cup.